Welcome to AIN Sports News. CONMEBOL pulls Copa America from Argentina just 13 days ahead of tournament start date. South America's Football Confederation CONMEBOL announced on Sunday that the Copa America could no longer be held in Argentina just 13 days before the tournament was due to begin. The 2020 edition of the tournament was postponed by a year due to coronavirus pandemic and was said to be held in both Argentina and Colombia between June 13 and June 10, the first time in tournament history it was to be jointly hosted. Rafael Nadal, Novak Djokovic and Roger Federer all in same half of French Open draw. Rafael Nadal, Novak Djokovic and Roger Federer all are in same half of the draw all the year's French Open, creating the possibility of some mouth-watering matches before the final. Defending champion Nadal and world's number one Djokovic cannot meet in the final as they did last year. Nadal came out on top in straight set with the pair projected to face off in the semi-finals instead. However, Djokovic has the small matter of potentially having to overcome 20-time Grand Slam champion Federer to get them, with the Swiss potentially facing Djokovic in the quarter-finals. Australian softball squad left for Tokyo Olympic among first athletes to travel to Japan for games. The Aussie Spirit, the Australian women's softball team, will be among the first athletes to arrive in Japan for the Tokyo Olympic for leaving Sydney on Monday. The squad of 23 will arrive in Ota City for a training camp before facing Japan on July 21, a game that marked the start of official Olympic competition 2 days before the opening ceremony. Having not faced an international opponent since February last year, the Aussie Spirit, which has won a medal in each of its past Olympic appearances, will also play against professional softball club in Japan, as well as 2 games against the Japanese national team before the Olympics get underway. An anonymous donor is paying the college tuition of black athlete who get straight A's at a Georgia high school. Black athlete at a high school in Georgia received the gift of a lifetime when an anonymous donor offered to pay their college tuition if they made straight A's. The donor, a community member who didn't want his identity revealed, as inspired to make change after realizing the lack of diversity in Centennial High School's athlete scholarship. He reached out to the school's athletic department with a concern about their program, which required student athlete to have a cumulative grade point average above 90. When we tweeted out a photo of this scholar athlete after one of our banquets, it will like 16 kids from the football team and all about one was white Centennial High School athletic director Jeff Burch told CNN, "Our football team does not look like that. Our team is predominantly African American," and he said the need to change. Preps in full swing. Virat Kohli and other sweat is out in BCCI's new video. Indian cricket team was seen sweating out in the gym in a video shared by the Board of Control for Cricket in India on their official Twitter handle. Captain Virat Kohli, all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja, pacer Jasprit Bumrah, wicket-keeper Rishabh Pant, batsman Ajinkya Rahane, Cheteshwar Pujara and Mayank Agarwal went through their paces ahead of a long England tour starting with the World Test Championship final against New Zealand from June 18. The video was captioned, "Preparation is full swing. Team India sweat is out in the gym ahead to the ICC World Test Championship final." For more sports news, kindly